This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is Linear Differential Equations of First Order and First Degree. A linear differential equation of first order first degree is given by dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or constants. We will call this differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q as 1. In the solution of such kind of differential equations, we require one special term which is called as integrating factor. Here, the integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dx. And then solution of 1 is given by y into integrating factor equal to integration of the term q into integrating factor dx plus c, where c is the constant. C is an arbitrary constant. As order of the differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q is 1, we are getting one arbitrary constant in the solution. We will discuss one example. So consider the differential equation dy by dx plus y equal to sine of e to the power x. Here t is 1, q is sine of e to the power x. So integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx. So it becomes integration of dx e to the power dx, that is e to the power x. Formula for the solution is y into integrating factor equal to integration of the term q into integrating factor dx plus c. Let us write down the value of integrating factor in this solution. So we will get this as y into e to the power x equal to integration of e to the power x into sine of e to the power x dx plus c. We will consider this as I equal to integration of e to the power x into sine of e to the power x dx. Let's put e to the power x equal to t. So e raised to x dx is equal to dt. So this integration I becomes integration of sine t dt, which is minus cos t. Let's substitute the value of t. T is e to the power x. So this is equal to minus cos of e to the power x. Solution is y into e to the power x equal to minus cos of e to the power x plus c. So let's rewrite this solution as y equal to e to the power minus x into cos of e to the power x plus c into e to the power minus x. As the order of this differential equation is 1, in the solution we are getting one arbitrary constant. Here p is 1 and q is sine of e to the power x. Thank you.